In this video, you'll learn how to run the diagnostics directly from the system for your Tier 3 pupils. Begin by making sure you have pressed the Run Tiering button to ensure you have the Tier 3 students ready for further diagnosis. Next, select the Diagnostic tab to access the necessary assessment tools and materials. Once you're ready, start the core activity by pressing the Start button, officially launching the individual pupil diagnostic. As questions appear, mark correct answers to record positive responses. Confirm each correct selection by clicking the designated Correct button. If an answer is incorrect or no response is given, select the Incorrect or No Response options to log these cases accurately. When you finish each section, use the Save and Next button to securely save the data and proceed to the next section. At the top on some of the sections, you can click the pupil card to see which section of the diagnostic should be in front of the pupil. Not all sections have a pupil-facing section. During timed tasks, click the 60-second timer when starting that section. As you capture responses, record error counts using the +1 button each time an incorrect answer is given, ensuring every mistake is recorded. Capture all responses. If the pupil finishes before the timer ends, use the Stop button to accurately capture the time spent on this section. To make it simpler, you can manually enter how far the pupil reached, and the system will auto-calculate the correct number. You can also record the correct answers instead of or at the same time as recording incorrect answers. If a pupil gives 0 correct answers, in this case in the first 10 letters, select the Discontinue option by checking the box and confirming with the Discontinue button. Then, save your progress to ensure all changes are kept as you move forward. Continue marking each answer as correct or incorrect for every prompt, toggling between available options as needed based on responses. Make sure to save after each completed set to maintain a reliable record. As needed, access the pupil card to see which pupil section should be in front of the pupil for each tool. This section is also a timed section. Use the timer to begin. You can see that this is the same as the previous timed tool. Record errors by clicking the +1 button each time an incorrect answer occurs. When the pupil finishes, you can stop the timer and, like before, you can manually enter how far the pupil reached, and the system will calculate the correct number. Once you've finished, click Save and Next to move to the next tool. As before, you can access additional details via the pupil card, and then close to return to the overview. To assess another set, restart the timer and use the +1 button to record any incorrect answers, repeating this as needed for each error. For each item, enter the relevant item numbers and save to confirm your entries before moving on. Continue marking answers as incorrect when appropriate, and once an item is complete, save and proceed through the sequence. When you have finished the diagnostic for this pupil, click Close, and you will return to the Tier 3 dashboard. Here you can click Profile, and it will show you exactly where the pupil is struggling with their literacy. Finish by clicking Close to exit the process safely. You've completed the walkthrough on running the diagnostics for Tier 3 pupils. You're now ready to apply these skills with your pupils.